Vivo V50 has been officially launched in India, bringing some important upgrade over its predecessor, including a bigger 6000 mAh battery with faster 90-watt wired charging and a more modern design. It has a 6.77-inch OLED display with Full HD plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. It features a subtle quad-core display and diamond shield glass. It has a peak brightness of 4500 nits. It's powered by the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset. It comes with 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It has triple 50 megapixel camera setup with Zeiss optics, including a 50 megapixel main with OIS, 50 megapixel ultra wide with autofocus, and 50 megapixel front facing camera. It runs FunTouch OS 15 based on Android 15, and with a promised 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security update. It comes with IP68-69 rating for water and dust resistant and has an optical fingerprint sensor. It comes in rose red, starry night, and titanium grey colors. The 8 128GB version is 34,999 rupees at $409, while the 12 512GB version is 40,999 or $472. Open sale starts on February 25th through